In the spirit of giving, this is the time of year when we work more hours to save more money so we can spend more money on gifts for family, friends, relatives, and even people we don't even know. If you haven't begun the process of preparing for the upcoming holiday, let me remind you, the process of preparing for the upcoming holiday begins now. This is a Johnson Premere Marketplace promotional video. For those of you who visited my website, I appreciate your time. For those of you who haven't visited JP Marketplace, I suggest you make time to visit JP Marketplace. While you're there, I recommend that you place your order now and take advantage of the limited time offer of how low pricing on all items that you see. After making your purchase, please leave a comment, especially if there's an item or a product you're looking for but you do not see. As you see in the upcoming pictures, all items are priced to sell. Due to the high demand, please allow 2 to 4 weeks for delivery. Place your order now for guaranteed holiday delivery. The mission at Johnson Premere Marketplace is to offer high quality products for an affordable price. Watches. This is a men and women fashion watch. This is a set watch, one for her, one for him. And this watch has high hardness, wear resistant glass that should not break during normal knocking and bumping into furniture. This is double click, easy folding clasp, make wearing the watch comfortable like a bracelet. And it has a calendar function display. You can keep time in this sporty style Adidas watch for women, whether you're focusing on your workout or on the timeout. This Adidas fashionable sport watch will add value to any watch collection. This Adidas sports watch is also available in bold colors like black, yellow, and blue. It offers other colors, but you have to visit the website to see the full collection. This is a ladies' fashion quartz wristwatch with the magnetic starry sky background. As you can see, it's Roman numerals. Colors include blue, black, purple. You can visit JP Marketplace at myshopify.com to see the full collection, all for an affordable price of $19.99. This is an LED digital sports wristwatch for women. This watch is not water resistant and should not be worn in the shower. This watch is available in different colors to fit all occasions and any outfit. The available colors, for example, include purple, rose gold, and silver. To see the full collection and the full colors that are available, please visit the website JP Marketplace at myshopify.com. And again, the price is reasonably priced to sell, $25.99. This is another 2019 smartwatch. The difference between this one and the previous smartwatch is this one allows you to take and make phone calls, receive messages. This watch is not water resistant and should not be worn in the shower. This watch is available in different colors to fit all occasions and any outfit. Please visit the JP Marketplace at myshopify.com to see the full collection. This watch is priced to sell, $25.99. Due to high volume, please allow 2 to 4 weeks for delivery. This is a 5-piece luxury set watch for women with the Roman numeral and starry background set. To see all the colors that are available, please visit JP Marketplace at myshopify.com. This watch is priced to sell at $19.99. Due to high demand, please allow 2 to 4 weeks for delivery. Order your watch now and it's guaranteed to be delivered in time for the holiday. This is the top seller right here, the top brand Curran men's watch. This designer Curran watch is waterproof. Military style analog watch, comfortable to be worn every day. Its smooth steel surface will not scratch your wrist. Eye-catching elegance makes the watch suitable to be worn on all the upcoming holiday extravagant occasions. Finally, thank you for your time. Visit jpmarketplace.myshopify.com today for all your holiday shopping needs. If you're not finding that perfect gift here, contact me at jacksonpremier.clothing@gmail.com. The address is on your screen.